Hey everyone, what's up? Coming up on this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to be reviewing a pool cleaner from KOKIDO called the Extravac 200. It's going to keep your pool fresh and clean for some summer fun. Are you ready? Let's check it out. Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin. Thank you so much for joining. Do me a favor if you can, like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Well, coming up today, we have from KOKIDO the Extravac 200. It's a pool cleaner. It's a robot pool cleaner. It's a robot pool cleaner that's going to make your life easier. We're going to unbox it and put it through its paces. In fact, hey Brad.
Yeah, Kevin, let's do it.
Brad's going to help out right now. Here we go.
On this side, we have the pole that we can assemble. Then we have some stickers. Then we have part of the vac with the propeller in it. It's pretty cool. Then we've got some more items in this box. We have our net. Then we have the bottom part with the sweeper brushes and the wheels. Our power cable that is USB. The pole attachment piece. And the AC adapter for the USB port. And of course, we have got our paperwork. So this is everything you get right out of the box. Let's go get it charged up and do some pool cleaning.
The Extravac 200 rechargeable cordless pool vacuum, new for 2023. Cordless and rechargeable, our pool cleaner vacuum gives you cordless rechargeable battery operated suction in an easy to use lightweight portable package. Works well in deep and shallow water. This pool sweeper is a must-have for your pool cleaning equipment. It is ideal for cleaning small to medium in-ground and above-ground pools, as well as water areas shallow as 4 inches like your pool steps and water features. Full spectrum cleaning. The wide conduit design allows direct passage of debris. The large external filter bag can hold up to 1.14 gallons of debris. The Extravac 200 is perfect for cleaning coarse sand, pine straw debris, dead bugs, and leaves up to 3 inches. It's compact yet versatile. This vacuum comes with a 5-section aluminum pole. Its pole connector is also compatible with standard telescopic pool poles for extended reach. It works 30 minutes of cleaning per charge and has a suction rate of 9 gallons per minute. Get it KOKIDO clean. Lightweight, easy to use pool vacuums, accessories, and supplies from KOKIDO. KOKIDO gives you the best underwater cleaning in a simple to use package. No matter what you need, they're here for you. And there you have it. We'd like to thank KOKIDO for sponsoring this video and sharing the Extravac 200 with us so we could unbox it, put it through its paces, and show all of you out there what it can do. Want to get one for yourself? Want to find out more? Also easy to do. Please click on that link in the description below. Well, that just about wraps it up for this video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I've been your host, Kevin. If you could like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. There's the triple threat right there. We'd appreciate it very much. Until next time, stay safe and be kind. We'll see you again on Good Tech Cheap.